Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, fourth passenger door, front wheel drive. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.